Masquera say Mure Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa gara waka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mure Zimbabwe, takuigira inyaya buditswa ne the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association. Yo yabuda ichi commenter on the issue yevanu vakasungwa vachinzi vanga vabhuwa the first lady mai Auxillia Mnangagwa apo pavanga vari kumutasa district kwavaita pavaipa speech yavo muri Zimbabwe zviri kunzi pane 9 vakadzi vakasungwa mushure mekunge vateedza kupiwa zvinhu zvaishewa madzimai kumutasa district na first lady pavaikera out macharity work avo kumutasa district. So zviri kunzi kuwatsomba muri Zimbabwe. So zviri kunzi mushure mekunge vakadzi vabhuwa the first lady vakaonekwa vachisungwa. So the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association yabuda ichikomenta on this issue. This issue yaiswa ne Zim Daily. So kutaura kuno kuvakadzi ava vari kunzi vakabuditswa mujeri on bail after the Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights vavamiririra. So vari kunzi vakabuditswa vese vari 9 on free bail, but the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association yabuda ichiti First Lady Mai Mnangagwa havasi kuzoteka this issue lightly. Zvanzi haisi kuzopera mushe nyaya iyoyi muri Zimbabwe. Zvinzi this issue ichablamwa kuna Oppah Muchinguri muri Zimbabwe anobva kumutasa district wabuda pa exendo yavo. Zvanzi understand ZANU-PF politics. Auxilia will not take the booing lightly. This will not end well. Remember, we once posted about the fight for women VP. Team General will be blamed. To make matters worse, Oppah is from Mutasa DC. It could be a setup to discredit Team General Tyson and Oppah. Tingaziye kuti yakamira sei nyaya chokwadere kana kuti ndo yabuditswa nenyaya the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association. Zvanzi this issue chashandiswa se setup to blame Oppah kuti she was the one aida discredit the first lady muri Zimbabwe. Ndofunga the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association yakambobuditsa yapost chitaura iyo ichiti ZANU-PF hamuna kumira mushe. Zvinzi mune mafights arimo. People are fighting for the post women league muri Zimbabwe, women VP muri Zimbabwe. Zvinzi Oppah Muchinguri ane upper hand pa this issue, but ari kufesa competition from the likes of Anna Barbara Rhodes. Tisingaziye kuti munoiona sei muri Zimbabwe nyaya iyi yakabuda. The Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association vakataura ivo vachiti as the battle for succession rolls on within ZANU-PF, Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association Intel says there is a serious battle for women vice president. Muchinguri is well positioned, but she is facing competition from Chinomona and Monica, while this Barbara Rhodes is fighting through a ministry using Jirara Amai. Those are Abuda Fitauro, the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans in the Saka Papa Monica Mtanga Oppah Muchinguri anogona kudiscredit kwa akupiwa mosha yekuti she was behind vakadzi ava vakabhuwa the first lady. Tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya yabuditswa the Children of Zimbabwe War Veterans Association iyi. Ndofunga mushure mekunge the Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights vabuda vachitaura vachiti vakabatsira vakadzi ava kubuda on bail. Vakabudisa statement muri Zimbabwe vakabuda vachiti rescued these 9 women from detention after they were arrested and charged for allegedly booing First Lady Auxillia Mnangagwa during her address at Watsomba Business Center, where they reportedly failed to access some freebies which she was doling out as part of her charitable work. The 9 women, namely Nesta Chatiwana, aged 41, Panashe Macheka Zondo, aged 19, Winnet Sitole, aged 19, Maria Choto, aged 43, Esnat Choto, aged 33, Helen Merujua, aged 28, Faith Chidakwa, aged 30 years, Patience Mataswa, aged 35, Joyce Mashingaidza, aged 29, were arrested by police on Wednesday at Watsomba Business Center in Manicaland Province and detained at Mutare Central Police Station before being charged with disorderly conduct in a public place as defined in Section 41B of Criminal Law, Codification and Reform Act. In court, prosecutors claimed that the 9 women who reside in various villages located near Watsomba Business Center stood up and disrupted Mnangagwa's delivery of her speech by booing her as a way of showing their disgruntlement for not receiving some groceries and clothes, which she was doling out to people. Prosecutors charged that the women who were seated on the ground stood up and started booing the First Lady while she was making her closing remarks during her address, intending to disrupt her speech and show disgruntlement that they had not received anything from her. The behavior allegedly exhibited that Chatiwana, Machekanzondo, Sitole, Choto, Rujua, Chidakwa, Mataswa, and Mashingaidza, prosecutors said was unlawful, abusive, insulting to Mnangagwa. The 9 women who were represented by Tatenda Sigauke and David Tandiri of Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights were released on Friday on free bail by Mutare Magistrate Priska Manimbi and will return to court on 30 April. In their defense, Chatuwana, Machekanzondo, Sitole, Choto, Rujua, Chidakwa, Mataswa, and Mashingaidza, who denied the charges, argued that they were just targeted during the dragnet arrest after they opted to leave the venue early and during the time when Mnangagwa was still addressing people and before being dismissed. The alleged booing of Mnangagwa is reminiscent of the heckling of former First Lady Grace Mugabe, who was jailed by some ruling ZANU-PF political party youth supporters in November 2017 at White City Stadium in Bulawayo, who were then prosecuted for insulting and undermining the late former President Robert Mugabe's wife. The heckling of the former First Lady argued his husband, woofing at President Emerson Mnangagwa, who at the time served as his vice president, for instigating the jailing of his wife. The ZANU-PF political party youths who were represented by the Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights were later set free after prosecutors withdrew charges of insulting or undermining the former First Lady. Those are Abuditswa statement. The Zimbabwe Lawyers for Human Rights